How to get high-ticket clients with cold email. So first of all, I would appreciate your decision to choose cold email as your go-to strategy for acquiring high-ticket clients. Here is why. First, cold email is very targeted. Second, ROI is positive in most of the time. Third, it's easy to set up. But now, the question is how to do it. So, in this video, I will share a simple 6-step process to get high-ticket clients with cold email outreach. Step 1. Find hyper-targeted leads. First of all, rather than reaching out to random businesses, you need to find companies that are a perfect fit for your services or products. Most importantly, these companies must have the budget and the need for your product or services. You can start by creating an ideal customer profile based on the factors like industry, company size, revenue, location, and any other relevant criteria. Once you have a clear picture of the target audience, you need to find contact information of people who call the shots at those companies. You can easily find verified contact information using Sales Handy Lead Finder or some other tools. Step 2. Design a bundle or custom offer. Now that you know who your ICPs are, it's time to prepare an offer that speaks directly to them. The goal here is to create a custom package that provides the perfect solution to their biggest challenges. You want to give them something that just makes them say, yeah,
that's exactly what I need.
And here's the most important part. When you're describing your offer, use the same language and examples that will resonate with your ICP. This is what's going to make your offer resonate much more powerfully with your high-ticket prospect. Step 3. Craft a personalized and relevant message. Before reaching out to your high-ticket prospects, make sure your outreach message is personalized and relevant. For best results, research the company and the decision maker you are targeting. Look for pain points or challenges that your product or service can solve. Then, in your outreach message, introduce yourself briefly and immediately shift the focus to the prospect and their needs. Finally, highlight how your offerings can help them achieve their goals or solve a particular problem they are facing. Step 4. Follow up consistently. When it comes to cold email outreach, one email is rarely enough to land a high-ticket client. You need to have a solid follow-up strategy and be persistent with your effort. That means you need to set up an auto follow-up sequence using different approaches. If they are not responding even after sending multiple follow-up emails, you can try reaching out to them on other channels like LinkedIn or phone. However, if you're gonna cold call your prospects, make sure you don't come across as pushy or aggressive. Step 5. Provide value upfront. If you want to get more positive responses, consider providing value upfront even before they become your client. This could be a free consultation, a helpful resource, or just a piece of an actionable advice. When you provide upfront value like this, it can help build trust and credibility. This is important because it can increase your prospect engagement. Step 6. Close the deal. Once you have successfully captured their interest with upfront value, they will be more receptive to your pitch. At this point, you just need to follow through and close the deal. This is usually done by scheduling a call or an in-person meeting to discuss the specific needs and explain how your offerings can solve them. In your meeting, be prepared to answer questions, address objections, and negotiate terms if required. Remember, choosing high-ticket clients can often involve multiple touchpoints and a longer sales cycle. So, be patient and persistent throughout the process. And there you have it. By following these steps and continuously refining your strategy, you'll be definitely able to land high-ticket clients. That said, we hope you liked the video. If you found it insightful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.